We have just explored Arches National Park in Moab, Utah, and today we're having some family fun at Canyonlands National Park. We have a problem though. It's hot today because there's a heat wave coming through Utah right now. Definitely gonna be an ice cream day, right? So we're testing our sweat glands today as we spend the day in Canyonlands checking out the Mesa Arch as we try to keep this 30-day family road trip to 15 national parks under our $10,000 budget. Good morning, guys. Another beautiful day here in Moab. We had a great night's sleep in our camper right there, and our 2-year-old did not sleep in our bed last night. Yes! We got like a really good night's sleep last night. We are gonna go down to Canyonlands today, so we are super excited about that. We heard about an arch called Mesa Arch, that what I wanna see, and then I think there's another hiking trail, because that one's only like a half mile. There's another hiking trail that I also wanna do, which is gonna be super cool. But right now, we gotta clean out the van. You ready to help?
The favorite person. The favorite person to clean out the van with, because I'll just organize everything.
All right, let's get going. So first things first, clean the van, get to Canyonlands, go see Mesa Arch, and have lunch. All right, van looks better.
Yep. Better.
Thank y'all for taking care of some of that. Okay, let's go. Come on, Beckett. Climb on up, big man. Perfect.
Let's see it.
So coming to Canyonlands, you pass by Arches National Park, and we saw that a sign saying that the park was full.
7:24 in the morning.
And we noticed people leaving Arches and getting on the road towards Canyonlands, and we just followed, what, 20 cars or so?
Yeah, which is not fair because today was our Canyonlands day, and if the parking lots are full, it's not going to be, we should get priority because we're not just taking leftovers. This is our destination today.
And so a lot of people stopped at the visitor center though that was in front of us, and so we're trying to get to Mesa Arch. Like yesterday we were trying to get to the Delicate Arch before the parking lot got full, but I read that this park is the least visited national park in Utah, so I think we might be okay.
But they also didn't, on the MPS app, it said that the parking lot gets full.
It did, or it was either that or somebody's blog said that the parking lot gets full.
Gotcha.
So,
Well, there's fewer people on the road now.
so hopefully it's not full yet. Oh boy.
No parking.
Is it full? Inside here. I cannot believe that happened.
Probably.
Probably so.
Just, I mean, coming in. You gotta squeeze in there
Squeeze
too,
every
yeah.
second.
This guy doesn't know how to park.
Well, the people beside me. Help me out. Am I good?
Yeah, so far, yep, you're good, yep. Come on in, yep, you got it. Yep, plenty of room. Let's go. Where's the truck stop? Oh, okay, let's go. Got more crowded than I expected. There it is. Damn. That is a far drop. Think about that a minute. Pretty crazy, huh? Wonder how high that is. How high do you think it is?
Have to be way more than 10 feet.
It's way more than 10? Probably so. Doing some rock climbing?
More like rock climbing down.
Yeah. Gotta climb up, gotta climb down. Right?
Climb up.
That's right.
If you want to get down.
If you want to get down, that's right. I want to stay up. Boom. Alrighty, big man, you ready? Uh-huh. There you go. Okay. Hold on now, you go first. You ready? You got it. Yay. Okay. You did it. You made it down the mountain. Down the bush. Yeah? Whoa. You're a good little climber. Look how high you are. Look at that. You can see everything. Where are you going? No, we need to go back to Mama. Let's go back that way. That's it. We gotta figure out how to get there. This is the same way, huh? Got it? Or, hold on. Here, and this foot to here. Down, 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 there it is. Okay. No. Look, come over here. Now you want to bring this foot way down here, and then you'll be flat.
I can't reach.
You'll be flat though. So bend this leg, bring this foot down, let it dangle. Or you can put it right there. This is a good spot. You got it?
Let me hold it.
Uh-huh. Got it? Okay. Kids can make you go a little nuts sometimes whenever they think they can do something. Alright guys, that was a really beautiful view. We got a great family picture by the arch. I'll put it in right here. And now we're gonna go look at the map to see what else there is to do. There's something called the Grand View here, which looks cool. And there might be another small hike that we might do. I'm not sure yet. I guess we read a blog post that said Grand Viewpoint Lookout is one of the coolest lookouts here in the canyon, so we're gonna go and check it out. Apparently you can see the other end of the park that's across the Colorado River from this point. Wow. You can see so much.
I'm only gonna do like an 8.
Is that cool, Becky? That's a neat tree. Huh, that's cool.
Mama, come out.
That's a maze. That's cool. Good job. Yep, that goes pretty straight down. You can come and look.
Where do you want to go?
It like messes with my perception because it's so far. Look, come see. Look, there's nothing down there. You see that?
Get a wall down there.
Oh, there's some rocks down there. You're right. Picnic time.
I'll bring it.
Oh, someone just took her spot.
Over there.
Oh yeah, look, there's another one up the way there.
You guys can sit here.
Oh.
There's a nice breeze.
Thank y'all, appreciate it. Might want to sit on the other side, bud. All right, y'all, it's a hot day at Canyonlands today, so I think we're gonna go home and take some naps, and we might do something tonight. I'm not sure. Keep watching. Alrighty guys, we gotta stop and get some gas while we're here in Moab. Gotta find a different gas station. This one's not working for me. Alright, let's try this place. Alright, how much do we think this gas is gonna cost? I'm getting down pretty low, so it might be a good 50 bucks. Man, gas here is so expensive compared to Louisiana. I'd be curious to know, what are gas prices in your area right now? Let me know that down in the comments below. 55. Woo! 60 bucks is just too much for a tank of gas. Woo! All right, let's get our receipt. Let's go. All right, you ready to go get the BBSS? What does that stand for?
Badge book sticker stamp.
That's right, you got it. Badge book sticker stamp. Let's go get it.
Hi, can I have a junior ranger book?
Sure, do you want just one? There you go. You can do anywhere between 4 and the whole entire book, and then just be back by like 4:30 or 4 o'clock today to get sworn in.
Okay, great.
Yep.
Thank you.
7 to
You want to stamp it, bud?
8.
Boom. Boom. Up. Yeah, it looks good. Oh, that one's kind of fun. I think I like this one.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
$17. All right, let's do some junior ranger real quick.
Okay, so we went on a hike.
Our plan is nap, ice cream, early dinner, arches.
Let's do it. All right, you done?
Yes.
Let's go turn it in. Get your badge.
Okay, so raise your hand.
I promise to protect, respect, appreciate all natural places, and I promise to respect all people and history.
And I promise
to encourage everyone else
to do the same thing.
do the same thing.
All right, congratulations, our Canyonlands National Park Junior Ranger. I'm giving you a badge right here, and great job.
All right. Thank you. All right, yeah, let's go. We've been running the AC in this camper all day. In the back, it's 86 degrees. In the front, it's 93 degrees. So we're gonna go find some ice cream, get some groceries, and I think we're gonna go back to Arches National Park and maybe see the sunset there. I don't know how late we're gonna be staying out. Ready to get out of this hot camper?
So hot.
Tell everybody your feelings about it.
It's like being outside in Louisiana inside of a camper.
So we're gonna go drive around and find some things to do to cool us off. All right, we're going to the village market to get some groceries. Buy a green apple. Well, that's a different kind of green apple.
2 days worth.
4.
Careful with the egg.
However way it works out.
Let's go. Thank you. That's $105.14. It's getting expensive. So this is the other grocery store in town. I'm gonna see if I can find me some ice cream. Yes. I do more of a keto thing, and I love this triple chocolate stuff. $6.17. Yep. Click that video to continue the adventure with us.